We're going to be taking a look at this Silk PLA Plus multicolor filament that was sent over to me to test out. I just got there and printing this Benchy on my Ender 3 back here. Let me give you guys a look and show you how it turned out. So guys, this here is a Tricolor PLA Plus filament. Basically, the way this is put together is 3 colors that are banded together, kind of like so. And when you print it, it has a really nice effect. So for this here, I printed this Benchy. It printed very smoothly. There was no clogging, no foul smells or anything like that. And this here is the finished result here. So because of the way that 3 colors are put together, it basically changes color based on how the light hits the item that you printed. And you see this silk just has a really nice finish to it. This here Benchy had no stringing, like all the detail is there. I mean, it printed perfectly. I just basically used the stock settings for PLA in my Creality slicer, and this is what I got. So, you know, this here Tricolor filament is definitely going to take your prints to another level creatively without, you know, any extra mess and fuss and stuff. So if you guys are looking for some really nice, easy to print filament for your 3D printer, I highly recommend this here. I hope this helps.